Imagine checking your bank account one morning and seeing $20,000 sitting there. For most people, that number feels impossible. But here's the surprising part. Saving your first $20,000 doesn't just change your bank balance. It changes the way you think, spend, invest, and even the opportunities that come your way. The first few $1,000s are the hardest you'll ever save. Every dollar feels like a sacrifice. But once you reach $20,000, something unexpected happens. Money starts working differently. Your stress decreases. Your confidence grows. And the financial decisions that once seemed impossible suddenly become realistic. In this video, we'll break down 4 major changes that happen after saving your first $20,000. And by the end, you'll understand why this milestone is one of the biggest turning points on the road to financial freedom.
Why the first $20,000 changes everything. Most people think $20,000 is just another number. It isn't. It's proof that you've built something most people never do: financial discipline. Saving $20,000 isn't about earning a huge salary. Many six-figure earners never reach it because every raise becomes a new expense. Instead, saving $20,000 means you've learned 3 powerful habits: spending less than you earn, avoiding unnecessary debt, staying consistent over time. These habits matter far more than the amount itself. At this stage, something else changes. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. Instead of worrying about every unexpected bill, you begin making decisions based on opportunity instead of fear. Need to repair your car? No panic. Unexpected medical expense? Manageable. Lost your job? You have time to breathe instead of rushing into the first job available. That financial breathing room is incredibly valuable because wealth isn't just about having money. It's about having options.
How $20,000 can start making you richer. Here's where things become exciting. The first $20,000 can begin creating more money. Imagine investing that money into a diversified portfolio. Over time, your investments may begin earning returns. Then those returns generate more returns. That's the power of compounding. For example, an investment earning around 8% annually has historically doubled approximately every 9 years, although returns are never guaranteed. That means today's savings can become much larger over the long term simply by staying invested. And here's what many people miss. Once you've proven you can save $20,000, saving the next $20,000 often becomes easier because you've already built the habits. Your income may increase, your investments may grow, and your financial confidence becomes stronger. Eventually, your money starts contributing more than your monthly savings alone. That's a major turning point. The next step after $20,000 isn't the finish line, it's the foundation. At this point, ask yourself 4 important questions. Do I have an emergency fund? If not, protect yourself before chasing bigger investments. Am I carrying high-interest debt? Paying off expensive debt often provides one of the best guaranteed returns available. Am I investing consistently? Building wealth isn't about timing the market. It's about staying invested for years. And finally, am I increasing my income? Saving matters, but earning more while maintaining good financial habits can accelerate your progress dramatically. Here's the truth. The first $20,000 doesn't make you wealthy. It transforms the person you're becoming. Someone who plans ahead. Someone who controls money instead of being controlled by it. Someone building long-term financial freedom one decision at a time. So if you're still working toward your first $20,000, don't quit. Because the hardest part isn't growing your money. It's becoming the kind of person who knows how to keep it. If you found this video valuable, Subscribe for more practical personal finance strategies that can help you build lasting wealth.
If this video changed the way you think about money, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly wealth psychology and investing videos, and share this with someone who's serious about building real wealth. Your future starts today.